it's Tia, and today I am going to be talking about the Santeva Intense S-Acetyl L-Glutathione supplements. They're 500 milligrams, and these supplements are 3 times more powerful as compared to other available glutathione oral supplements that contain liposomal or reduced glutathione. This form of glutathione addresses the lower absorption rates of GSH or reduced glutathione. And S-Acetyl L-Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant. It's naturally produced by the body, and it's the only one that's intracellular. And S-Acetyl is protected from your digestive tract, which allows the glutathione to be released directly into your body cells to ensure maximum effectiveness and absorption. And there are some great benefits. It's been shown to improve neuron health, immune system health, liver function. It lightens the skin naturally and fights aging and sagging skin. And all you need is 1 to 2 pills daily, and that's it. And you want to make sure that you take it on an empty stomach to help your body fully absorb the contents so that you can receive excellent results. As always, thank you for watching, and check out the other great videos that we have here at Santeva Beauty.